Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to perform an oil change on your Infiniti Q50. First, let's gather our essential tools and supplies. You'll need about 5 to 6 quarts of 5W30 synthetic motor oil, a new oil filter, and a fresh drain plug crush washer. For tools, grab a 14mm wrench or socket, an oil filter wrench, an oil drain pan, a funnel, and some clean rags. Safety is key, so have a jack and sturdy jack stands ready. Now, let's get that old oil out. Start by running your engine for a few minutes to warm the oil, making it drain more easily. Safely raise the front of your Q50 using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Next, you'll need to remove the lower engine splash shield, typically held by several 10mm bolts. Position your oil drain pan directly beneath the drain plug, then carefully remove the 14mm drain plug to begin draining the old oil. With the old oil draining, it's time to replace the filter. Locate the old oil filter, usually near the drain plug, and remove it with your oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin coat of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional quarter to half turn. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it firmly with your 14mm wrench. Almost done, carefully lower your Infiniti Q50 back to the ground. Now, open the oil filler cap and use your funnel to add about 5 to 6 quarts of the new 5W30 synthetic oil. Start the engine and let it run for a minute, then shut it off. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level with your dipstick, adding more if needed. Finally, double-check for any leaks and remember to recycle your used oil and filter responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.